Hello, welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you here about to help you how you actually start to see things in Figma. So really, first of all, what you gonna do is about for this video. So actually start to have everything over here, and that way, which is really about that. And what you gonna do is about for this video on how you actually start to see it changes. So really. So first of all, what you're gonna do is about to start to have it on certain way that is actually to be done on that. So what you're gonna see over the progress is really to be satisfied with the moment that we want actually to know if there is any changes. So you should actually have a plugin see changes, and maybe you can actually see any plugin that you would like. Actually, you can actually see have assets is ready to be done with that, but this may be really not helping a lot. If you want like to see changes, you can actually see the file undo and redo with the edit here, and that's all about to help you through this video.